Mastering the Stairs, a step-by-step guide to go up the stairs. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're scaling new heights with the phrase, go up the stairs. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English, understanding this phrase's use and nuances will surely elevate your language skills. So, let's step up to the challenge. Go up the stairs is a simple yet essential phrase in English, commonly used to describe the action of moving from a lower level to a higher level using a staircase. It's a physical action that most of us perform daily, but in language, it's about conveying direction and movement. To fully grasp the phrase, let's dissect it. Go implies movement or travel. Up indicates the direction of the movement, from down to up. The stairs refers to the series of steps designed for ascending or descending between different floors or levels. Each word plays a crucial role in painting the whole picture of this action. Go up the stairs can be used in various scenarios, like in instructions or descriptions. Instructions: to reach the office, go up the stairs to the second floor. Descriptions: she went up the stairs to her room. Understanding its usage helps in both comprehending and communicating effectively in daily conversations or specific situations like giving directions. While using this phrase, be mindful of these common pitfalls. Don't confuse up with down. Go down the stairs means the exact opposite. Context is key. Ensure the action and direction match the situation you're describing. Congratulations, you've just climbed the linguistic staircase of go up the stairs. Remember, each word is a step, and together, they lead you to clearer and more effective communication. Keep practicing, and you'll find yourself at the top in no time. We hope this video has been helpful and wish you luck on your language learning journey. See you in the next one.